Welcome to QuizRad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. Break the ice, spill the beans, hit the nail on the head. You probably use these idioms all the time, but do you really know what they mean? In today's quiz, we're testing your knowledge of everyday expressions that people often misunderstand. Can you guess them all? You'll get 25 questions with 10 seconds to answer each one. Share your favorite idiom in the comments, and let's see if you're an English pro or if you're just winging it. Let's get started. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! What does bend over backwards mean? Try very hard to help someone. Do yoga. Or act strangely. Try very hard to help someone. What does on the fence mean? Sitting outside. Undecided. Or hiding something. Undecided. What does pull the plug mean? Stop something from continuing. Turn on a machine. Or break something. Stop something from continuing. True or false time. Is this statement true or false? Kick the bucket means to start a fun new hobby. Yes, you are right. It's false. It actually means to die, not to begin something enjoyable. What does kick up a fuss mean? Create a big drama. Throw something. Or dance. Create a big drama. What does throw in the sponge mean? Quit or give up. Clean something. Or complain loudly. Quit or give up. What does hit the roof mean? Jump high. Get very angry. Or fix the ceiling. Get very angry. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. What does twist someone's arm mean? Force someone to do something. Do a handshake. Or argue loudly. Force someone to do something. What does cut the mustard mean? Prepare food. Meet expectations. Or say something funny. Meet expectations. Say something funny. Sleep deeply. Watch carefully. Or cry quietly. Watch carefully. Did you know the idiom raining cats and dogs has no clear origin? One theory is that heavy rain once washed stray animals through the streets in 17th century England. What does drop the ball mean? Celebrate something. Play a game. Or miss a chance or make a mistake. Miss a chance or make a mistake. What does by the skin of your teeth mean? Very closely. Painfully. Or accidentally. Very closely. What does have a chip on your shoulder mean? Be overly confident. Hold a grudge. Or look silly. Hold a grudge. It's memory time. Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! What does fly off the handle mean? Say goodbye. Move quickly. Or get very angry suddenly. Say goodbye. What does cut to the chase mean? Run fast. Skip to the main point. Or end a story. Skip to the main point. What does in the same boat mean? Share the same situation. Travel together. Or be confused? Share the same situation. Can you guess the odd one out? Yes, you found it! What does read between the lines mean? Understand the hidden meaning. Read faster. Or guess randomly. Understand the hidden meaning. What does put a sock in it mean? Be quiet. Get dressed. Or say something rude. Be quiet. What does go down in flames mean? Take revenge. Burn a house. Or fail spectacularly. Fail spectacularly. Would you rather only speak in confusing idioms that no one understands, or never be able to use idioms at all? Comment down below. What does cold turkey mean? Quit something suddenly. Eat leftovers. Or feel cold. Quit something suddenly. What does bite off more than you can chew mean? Take on too much. Talk too much. Or eat quickly. Take on too much. What does on thin ice mean? Ice skating. In a risky situation. Or feeling cold. In a risky situation. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. What does ring a bell mean? Sound familiar? Play music. Or call someone. Sound familiar? What does throw in your 2 cents mean? Give money, share your opinion, or complain loudly. Share your opinion. What does speak of the devil mean? Talk about something scary. Someone appears when you're talking about them. Or get nervous. Someone appears when you're talking about them. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? The phrase under the weather means someone is not feeling well. Yes, you are right. It's true. It's a common idiom used to describe feeling sick or unwell. What does take the cake mean? Be the most extreme or surprising. Steal dessert. Or celebrate something. Be the most extreme or surprising. You did it! Whether you knew these idioms inside out or learned a few new ones, improving your language skills is always a win. Idioms add color to conversations, and now you can use them with confidence. Want more fun language quizzes? Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Drop your favorite idiom in the comments, and we'll see you in the next quiz.